Yo, what's going on, guys? Just here, back at it again with another reaction. So, today I'll be reacting to V's two new songs they dropped as a debut album, if I'm correct, debut performance soloist. But yeah, so I'll be doing that, and I'll also be reacting to one of my favorite songs that features V's vocals, which is Fun Boys. It's from BTS, of course, but it's probably one of my favorite songs of theirs. With V's amazing vocal display for that song specifically that I enjoy the most. But yes, 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, so that was V's Love Me Again, an amazing example of just like beautiful art in filled voice. You know what I mean? I really love the way, like the way his always, whenever I heard V sing, it just sounded so distorted, and like combine that on top of this distorted, like you're hearing him through a wall, you know what I mean? So it's like really nice. And also if you look at the background, it's kind of like a cave, so like the echoes, distortion, it's all just, it just creates this like layered effect of like just a distance between you and someone else, you know what I mean? And I think that's the real main component of this song. I wish you'd love me again, but there's the space between us that I just can't seem to get through. What do you guys think? Do you guys know just as much as I do? It's not too much. Don't feel like I'm on to the next song, which will be V's Rainy Day. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. that was V's Rainy Day, another great example of like creating perfect juxtaposition. I think that's the right word, with like the song being about a rainy day, but it's like a pretty mellow day outside in the music video, and I think that's kind of like a metaphor for like internally. It feels like every day, even though it's just a regular day outside, could be a rainy day without you. But yeah, man, I really enjoyed both these songs. They're very great for like I think smooth evening drives, just coasting through, or also really late night drives. That would be perfect. Actually, freezing air with like nice cool drink. Just no alcohol. Come on now, guys. But yeah, so I think that's what makes these music videos so nice. But yeah, what do you guys think? Do you guys enjoy these two music videos as much as I did? If not to myself, to me so. But finally, on to the song that I really enjoy, which is BTS's Fun Boys. Just one of my favorite songs I listen to. I do karaoke's with this song a lot. It's just a great song. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. Oh, I ain't touching it down. Oh man, just a beautiful song. It's like just a perfect amount of fun, perfect amount of freeness, with like just everyone able to really just showcase their vocals really nicely. It's also very, you know that song "Regulate" they did for Warren G. I think all the way back when they first came to America. It was kind of like that. Just like every member got to showcase their own vocal talent really well, and I just enjoyed it so much. This one kind of back some memories to that time. But yeah, man, this is a great song, just fun. And yeah, man, what do you guys think? Do you guys enjoy the song as much as I did? Not to myself, so really like, comment, comment below. Just hear it out.